The Church of Our Lady of the Rosary is an ancient oratory of Fazenda Grande, dedicated to the Lord Good Jesus of the Afflicted. It belongs to the ecclesiastical circumscription of the Diocese of Floresta. It is located in the municipality of Floresta, state of Pernambuco.
A couple from Big Farm will participate in liturgical celebrations at masses of Sundays and East Day in private oratory, door of early Catholics according to the commands gave half of Highland the constitutions of papal and the invocation of the Lord Good Jesus of the Artificer.
The church is a Baroque-style building with 300 square meters. On the high altar, orchid in carved wood and letters of curved line, there are images of Our Lady of the Rosário, Our Lady of Pain and Sarah Benedict are carved in wood by unknown artists.